rise up high, lift our hearts beyond the sky. Peace and love is the life we choose. Justice comes when we refuse to lose. Feel the rhythm of your heart beat strong. Spread the light and sing this song. One love, one heart, living right. Under the stars we reunite. In the still of night we find our way. Through the darkness we will sway. Rastafarian spirit, let it be known. Seeds of love we have sown. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat strong. Spread the light and sing this song. One love, one heart, living right. Under the stars we reunite. In the still of night we find our way. Through the darkness we will sway. Rastafarian spirit, let it be known. Seeds of love we have sown. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat strong. Spread the light and sing this song. One love, one heart, live it right. Under the stars we reunite. Unity in every step we take. Born together, no fake, no break. Harmony and truth we embrace. In this journey we find our place. Stand against the shadows, rise above. Fill the world with endless love. Hand in hand we'll make it through. Justice is the path we pursue. The shadows rise above. Fill the world with endless love. Hand in hand we'll make it through. Justice is the path we pursue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So light up the dark. We are children of the sun, that's where we spark. With hearts open wide, sharing joy we find. Unity forever in the rhythm of our kind. One love, fire burning bright and true. For you, Rastafarian spirit guides us every day. In Jah's embrace, we find our way. Dancing under moonlight, stars in our eyes. Living off the land beneath celestial skies. Harmony is calling, let the good vibes flow. Planting seeds of love in all the hearts we grow. One love, fire, burning bright and true. Peace and justice for me and for you. Rastafarian spirit guides us every day. In Jah's embrace, we find our way. Dancing under moonlight, stars in our eyes. Living off the land beneath celestial skies. Harmony is calling. and let the good vibes flow. Planting seeds of love in all the hearts we grow. Rise up, warriors of the peaceful kind. Stand for truth and love, we'll never be blind. In the roots we find strength like a tree so tall. Together we ascend, never shall we fall. Ancient wisdom flows as the rivers bend. Mother Earth renews us where the heavens end. Through the highs and lows our spirits interlace, bound by love and justice in Jah's divine grace. Ancient wisdom flows as the rivers bend. Mother Earth renews us where the heavens end. Through the highs and lows our spirits interlace, bound by love and justice in Jah's divine grace. Zion we stand tall, peace and love for one and all. Justice flows like a river wide, roots strong we shall not divide. Peace, love and justice we chant loud. Under the skies no dark clouds allowed. One family under the sun's bright glow. Together united, watch the love grow. From the mountains to the sea, Rastafari set us free. Harmony in each heartbeat strong. Through the valleys here I come. Peace, love and justice we chant loud. Under the skies no dark clouds allowed. One beneath in each heartbeat strong. Through the valleys here I come. From the mountains to the sea, Rastafari set us free. Harmony in each heartbeat strong. Through the valleys here I come. Peace, love and justice we chant loud. Under the skies no dark clouds allowed. One beneath in each heartbeat strong. Through the valleys here I come. Lift your voice, let the message be clear. In unity we conquer every fear. Let the wind carry our soul song. In this world we all belong. Under stars where the ancients tread, we find strength in each word said. From the roots our spirits soar. With every heartbeat we encore. Under stars where the ancients tread, we find strength in each word said. From the roots our spirits soar. With every heartbeat we encore.
Kick the drum beat, follow sound.
living life where we are found. Love and justice all around. Peace is where we're honor bound. Rasta colors bright and bold, stories of the ancient told, in the hearts of young and old. Roots of ours are pure as gold. One love, one heartbeat, are strong. Unity forever long. Harmony in every song, where we all truly belong. Wisdom clears the night, truth and justice shining bright. Hand in hand we reach new heights, love will guide us through the fight. Just like blessing every day, in the rhythm we all swing. Smiling faces whirl away, peace is where we're on about. Truly belong. Wisdom clears the night, truth and justice shining bright. Hand in hand we reach new heights, love will guide us through the fight. Just like blessing every day, in the rhythm we all sway. Smiling faces whirl away, peace is where we're on about.
Zion's dreams bright, beneath the stars we find our mate. Joy's love flows in every stream, peace and justice ain't the dream. Red, gold, green, colors in the breeze, harmony whispering through the trees. Join hands under the reggae moon, sing together a freedom tune. One love for the human race, one heart in the sacred space. No more war, let's heal this land. Peace and justice, understand. Rising up from Babylon's fall, hear the voices, they make the call. For truth and honor side by side, in Rastafari we can fly. Lions roaring, eagles fly, guiding us through the darkest night. Unity in every stance, Rasta rhythm make it dance. One love for the human race, one heart in this sacred space. No more war, let's heal this land. Peace and justice, understand. Rising up from Babylon's fall, hear the voices, they make the call. No more war, let's heal this land. Peace and justice, understand. One love for the human race, one heart in the sacred space. No more war, let's heal this land. Peace and justice, understand.